Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Mark and today we're drawing some portraits because I don't like drawing faces and I feel like it's time we change that because the human face is very interesting and there's an abundance of references on Pinterest and other sites. So why not take advantage of that and draw some faces? So I decided to draw a couple of these faces, and this is one of the three in total. And yeah, I'm going to try and do a voiceover on this video. I don't really do voiceovers, so this is a new experience for me. But I hope that at least now that I've done the drawing, I can focus on the commentary separately so you don't get choppy audio like in the last video. So feel free to let me know in the comments which format you prefer, and I'll try and see if there's anything interesting for me to say about this drawing. So welcome again. Thank you for watching. Yeah, so as I said, I found this reference on Pinterest and I'm using PureRef to overlay it on my screen so that it doesn't move when the canvas moves. Krita has an inbuilt reference board thing, but the disadvantage of that is you can't zoom in and out as freely, because if you set up a reference, for example, in the same place I've put my PureRef window, then you zoom in, it zooms in with you. And if you happen to zoom in on an area of a canvas where you can't see the reference, you have to do a lot of stuff to get it to be on the screen. Alternatively, I can always use my second monitor, my actual computer screen, but having it up to the side feels much better for me. So yeah, commentary is hard, man. I hope I get better at this so that we can actually make more videos than this, though this arguably takes up more time. We'll see. Yeah, this is Krita for those who don't know, and I'm using the chalk grainy brush because it has me in a chokehold. I used to be in the chokehold of the soft round brush. I feel like I should go back to that. However, the soft round brush doesn't give me quite the texture that I enjoy with this brush. So for the near future, I'm using the chalk grainy brush. On the screen you can see I'm smudging. This is I don't know what brush that is, but it comes bundled with Krita, a smudge brush. I'm going to try and find the name of it and put it on the screen. Yeah, so as you can see, just drawing the face of this girl. And it was really challenging because while I know the shape of a face, it's challenging for me because of my observation. I feel like I need more practice with observation because, as you can see, the final thing doesn't look exactly like the reference, though arguably the aim of this study wasn't even to do reference. What am I saying? The aim of the study wasn't to copy the reference exactly. Likeness. That's the word I was looking for. It wasn't to do likeness, only to get used to the proportions of a face, where the eye sits, where the nose sits, where the ears sit, And I think I did well, though I can see now as I'm editing the video that I made her head smaller. You can see in the reference the back of the head goes way back than mine, but we can call that style. Though I don't really have a style, but maybe by doing these drawings we can discover a style. The other brush that I'm using is another smudge brush. It's called Charcoal Smudge by Rakuri. And if you want access to all these brushes, there's a link in the description to my Buy Me a Coffee page, where I have a curated collection of all the Krita brushes I've ever downloaded. I don't use all of them, as you can see, but there may be some of you who might enjoy them more than me. I don't even know why I downloaded them. I think I'm a digital hoarder. I have all these courses and all these brushes and reference packs that I might not even use one. To tell you the truth, I might not use them ever. But you might, so go to the description, go to the link, and you might find a brush that you love. And if you feel so inclined, you can leave me a tip. If not, it's fine. I got them for free. There's no reason for me to charge you. Back to the drawing, I'm trying to make the earring a bit more spherical. And also, I tend to forget to draw the ear. So I was really struggling here because this is a part of I'm not used to drawing ears. I think I hide them. So part of this study was to ensure that I actually draw the ear. Then I also wasn't really zooming into the reference because I didn't want to get bogged down in the details. But as you can see, I was zooming into the drawing in certain areas. Yeah, I don't even. Again, voiceovers are hard. I'm trying to keep your attention for the 15 minutes that I have done this. I have edited this video. I hope it's working. Again, let me know in the comments. Yeah. I feel like I overstayed my welcome. I should let you enjoy the time lapse. Yeah, let me let you enjoy the time lapse. So I'm gonna shut up now, and then I'll try this again with the other portrait studies that I did alongside this one, because there are 3 in total. And I'll see you in the next one. Remember to like, share, subscribe, all those YouTube things that I usually forget to tell you to do. And have a nice day. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.